Silay City Public Plaza transforms into a vibrant hub of activity at night, reflecting the city's rich culture and community spirit. The plaza is beautifully illuminated, featuring a dancing fountain that captivates visitors and locals alike, creating a lively atmosphere. The presence of colorful lights enhances the charm of the plaza, making it a popular spot for evening strolls and social gatherings. In the evenings, the plaza becomes a gathering place for families, friends, and couples. People often enjoy street food from various vendors, with popular offerings including local delicacies like fish balls and inasal, grilled chicken. The plaza's layout allows for a mix of leisure activities. Children can play in the nearby playground, while adults engage in conversations or relax on benches. The clean environment and friendly ambiance contribute to a sense of community and hospitality that Silay is known for. Silay City is often referred to as the Paris of Negroes, due to its historical significance and well-preserved colonial architecture. The plaza is surrounded by ancestral houses and cultural landmarks, which are particularly striking when illuminated at night. This setting not only attracts locals but also tourists who come to appreciate the city's rich heritage. The residents of Silay City take immense pride in their culture and community. They are known for their warmth and hospitality, often eager to share stories about their traditions and local history. Events and festivals frequently occur at the plaza, showcasing traditional dances, music, and crafts, which further strengthen community bonds and invite participation from all ages. Beyond the plaza, Silay City offers a lively nightlife scene with various bars and restaurants nearby. Establishments along Rizal Street and other areas provide entertainment options, including live music and themed nights. The nightlife tends to be more vibrant on weekends, reflecting the city's energetic spirit as people unwind after a long week. Silay City Public Plaza at night is a microcosm of the city's life, filled with activity, cultural pride, and community interaction, making it a vital part of Silay's identity. The combination of a welcoming atmosphere, culinary delights, and cultural richness creates a unique experience for both locals and visitors.